Hi everybody and welcome. Today I have Sony WH-H900N headphones and I'm going to show you how to pair them with your MacBook. At first you have to hover your Bluetooth icon at the top, click on it and then go to Bluetooth settings. Here you have to go into your headphones and go into pair mode with them. To do so you have to hold your finger on power button for a long time. As you can see, we are now in pairing mode. After that, you have to wait until our headphones appear in your devices. If they don't do so, you just have to disable and enable Bluetooth. As you can see, they are here now. We have to click connect. That's it. Hope it helps you. Goodbye.